Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this particular lab. First of all, you have to click on Start Lab and just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now we have to simply click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell and remove this unwanted pop-up. And if you've got any other pop-up beforehand, you have to just click on I understand and agree and continue. Now wait for the Cloud Shell to activate. Here you have to simply click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Just authorize yourself. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository. First of all, just copy it. You can use your notepad also. There is not an issue. Now come to the lab instruction and just type Control F and just search for the zone. You can see here is our zone. That is US East 4. Okay, US East 4. If you are unable to copy, what you can do, see, just select entire content and simply paste in on a notepad. And from here, just carefully copy this particular part and just paste over here. Now just select entire content from here and then just come over here, paste it, and again come to the GitHub repo. From there, just select it and just come back again to the Cloud Shell. Just paste it and hit enter. Now it will do all the tasks. Now we have to wait for some time and after that we'll simply check the score. So finally, after 15 to 20 minutes, all these things are done. If you face issue, just do one thing, just rerun the command again or wait for some more time. Okay, you can simply restart the lab and try again. Now let's check the score. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now here we have to check the score for each and every task. So finally, we are done with the lab. To like the video and just subscribe the channel.